The Looki L1 is probably one of the most unusual creator tools I tested so far. This small wearable device can turn your day into auto-generated vlogs, comics and recaps. But as a solo creator, I had a different question. Can the Looki L1 capture natural B-roll moments? This video is sponsored by Looki, but always all thoughts and opinion are my own. Okay, so this is the Looki L1, and honestly the first thing that surprised me was the build quality. I also like the design. It feels more like a polished wearable tech product than a typical filming device. And one more thing, just to avoid any confusion, it is not here to replace your mirrorless camera, your Osmo Pocket 3 or even your action camera, because the Looki L1 records in 1080p. But that is also not really the point of this device. It is here to capture moments you maybe missed. Moments that were not planned, not staged, not perfectly set up. But before we go outside, let's quickly check what's inside the box. Inside you get the Looki L1 itself, the magnetic lanyard, the charging cable, the documentation and a quick guide. One detail I found interesting is the charging design. It uses magnetic contacts on the back and attaches to the included magnetic lanyard here. And yes, the lanyard itself contains the USB-C charging connection. The magnetic attachment feels pretty strong. And the device is also IP67 rated, water and dirt resistant. It offers up to 12 hours of endurance. Besides photos and videos, the ecosystem also supports audio interaction, AI chat functions and a broader memory workflow.
What did I do on Thursday the 4th?
On Thursday the 4th, you had a pretty creator and movement kind of day. You spent time in the studio working on a video project, went out for a bike ride, and later that night at home, vlogged while checking out and showing off your new DJI Neo drone.
The app can transform your footage into auto-generated vlogs, digital stories and comics. Looki also describes this as contextual intelligence, meaning the system tries to understand your environment and daily context to generate observations, reminders and insights around your whole activities. There are actually a lot of possible use cases here. One of them is what Looki calls wellness and self-care. According to Looki, the system can give you daily reminders, routine observations, dietary tips and lifestyle insights. There is also an upcoming live dashboard planned, which should include things like a screen index or nutrient index. For my channel, I will not go too deep into the health and wellness side because this is mainly a creator workflow test. But of course, with something this personal, privacy matters. According to Looki, the system uses end-to-end encryption, AWS and Google Cloud infrastructure, proactive firewalls, and your personal content is not used to train AI models. But for me, privacy is also about people around me, so I use the Looki L1 in my controlled situations. For this video, I keep it simple. Only me and only footage I actually want to use. And that's exactly what you can configure in the app. So let's have a quick look at the setup. You simply download the Looki app for iOS or Android, create or log into your account and then connect the Looki L1 to your phone. And once the camera is connected, you get access to the main dashboard. Right after that, I was welcomed with some helpful tutorials. The camera also immediately checked for a firmware update, which I downloaded and installed as well. So you can see Looki care about new function and improvements as well. On the overview page of your Looki L1, you see a lot of options, including the functions you can also trigger directly on the camera via the buttons here. Take a picture, manually record a video or audio clip and activate story mode. Under device media, you will find all the media you captured. On the right side, you can upload it manually or automatically to the cloud, where the app shows cloud storage available for your account. I like the idea of automatically capturing moments, but I still want to decide myself which media should be uploaded and processed in the cloud. So I disabled auto upload in the control menu. And once I decide to move the highlights of my day to the cloud and let AI do its magic, this is where the more interesting feature comes in. But I will come to that part a bit later, and I think I will take you on a small trip together with my Looki L1 as my second cameraman here while flying my DJI Neo 2 drone. So let's go.
But before we start flying the drone, I want to quickly set up story mode. Here in the app I can define how often and how long the Looki L1 should record scenes for this test. I don't need long clips, so I will go for 5 seconds every minute. The app setup is done. Now I put the magnetic lanyard here around my neck and the camera sits close to my chest when I put it right here, which should give us nice POV shots. And to activate the story mode, I can press the bigger button down below here a little bit longer, and then you hear
Story mode.
and story mode is activated. So I would say let's capture some nice pictures and fly the drone, jump on the bike, let's go. And you should already have seen some original footage from the Looki L1 by now. I marked it in the upper left corner. By the way, I'm actually excited because I have no idea what it captured so far. That is kind of the interesting part. I'm not actively filming these moments. The Looki L1 is running in the background while I focus on the trip, the location and the main video. And let's get up the DJI Neo 2 back in the air.
10 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
So now the drone comes back. Hello. Great, this was circle, 10 meters. So next step is let's go with rocket. That was really cool. So let's put it back on my shirt.
Front. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
All right, so the DJI Neo 2 is flying in front of me, and now you can see the picture of the DJI Neo 2. And now I'm switching to the recording of the Looki L1. So I hope it is recording some sequences here that you can see exactly how I see the drone flying in front of me. So this should be great and a good opportunity to get both angles. On the one hand, the Looki L1 POV and the drone for a selfie walk and talk vlog. So this is awesome. So let's see if this works as well. But let's get the drone back. Come on. All right. That was cool. So let's put the microphone back to the case, and if it captures sound, you can hear now the sound from the Looki L1. Now I will also take a photo again, so I think this is a nice spot. So this is the 4K picture quality you can expect in bright sunlight.
Alright, so after cutting the sequence until now, I have to say the Looki L1 actually delivered on the idea. It captured some small moments I probably would never have recorded manually. Not because they were not interesting, but because they are those tiny in-between moments you usually miss as a solo creator. I also like the wide angle perspective, and the 1080p quality is totally usable as long as it does not get too dark. So in darker situations like going through a tunnel or so, you can definitely see the limits. Here in the app you can now see all the footage it captured in a local storage. By the way, the camera has a 32 GB of internal storage, and up here you can also see how much battery is left. So my next step is to delete the clips I do not really need, keep the useful moments, upload those selected clips to the cloud, and then let do AI its thing. And here is the automatic generated AI vlog. No manual editing needed. The app takes the moments I uploaded and turns them into a short recap. And I have to say, this is pretty nice. But the features I was personally most excited about is the comic strip. This is such a fun summary of the day, and you could even print it out as a little memory. And that immediately made me think of private events like birthdays or maybe weddings, if everyone is informed beforehand. An AI comic like this could become a really nice modern memory, almost like a new version of disposable cameras at weddings. And because I know somebody will ask, at the time of filming, this Looki L1 starts around $249 US. I like those pure unplanned scenes, and I think you can get creative when you think about where to position it and then just forget about it. It is not a replacement for your main camera, it is not an action cam, and it's definitely not for everyone. There are also a few small things I would improve. A direct USB-C port on the device itself could be nice, but thinking about it, I also understand why Looki did not do that. Another port would mean another opening, potentially more weight, and the IP67 protection would probably be harder to achieve. A small built-in stand could also be practical for quicker placing it somewhere. And last but not least, the button system here took me a little moment to remember. So once you know them, it becomes very quickly and natural to use. Alright, I think that's it for today's review of the Looki L1. If you want to see more real-world reviews about innovative creator tools, feel free to subscribe down here to the channel and like this video for more. Stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next one.